Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this series of videos, I'm going to be preparing African breakfast. The first one I'll be making will be the akara ogi. To prepare the ogi, the pap, I've got the yellow pap made of yellow maize, and I have the white one made of white maize. You can also use the one made of millet, but I'm going to use the yellow maize. Pap is similar to custard. So to make the pap, I'm going to place a saucepan with a little bit of water, and I'll add about a tablespoon or two of the pap into a bowl. Add a little bit of water. You can also use milk if you prefer. Add a little bit of water or milk. You can add sugar at this stage or leave it out until after you've cooked the ogi. Mix the pap into a liquid state, and then we'll stream it into the boiling water and stir with a wooden spoon to make our ogi. The other option is to, as it is in the liquid state, you can pour the hot water over it and cook it for a few minutes in the microwave. Stream the ogi into the hot water, stirring until you get to the consistency that you prefer. The ogi is now ready, nice and smooth, and I'll be serving it with akara. Ogi in a bowl. I'll drizzle a little bit of milk on the ogi, a sprinkle of a teaspoon of sugar, and on my side plate I will serve the akara. Enjoy.